can hear me. My heater is kind of loud in the back. Hold on. What's up, you guys? It's Janae. Welcome back to my channel. Today is December 31st, which is Christmas Eve, which is New Year's Eve. And since I won't be able to go out and have fun today, I decided that I'm going to make a digital vision board and just write out my goals for 2023 and plan out my month of January, because I feel like I have a lot to do in January. There's a lot of things happening. My birthday, my last semester of school finally is coming. So I have to prepare for that, and then just a lot of stuff. So I decided that I'm going to create a digital vision board, because getting the paper, getting all the pictures together, and then getting all the supplies, the boards, I didn't have time for that. So we're just gonna do it on Canva. And I think I'm just gonna screen record my computer so you guys can see. So let's go to Canva. Maybe I should have gotten my pictures and stuff together before I started recording. Okay, I finally found out how to do it. So right here I just pulled up like some vision board templates on Canva. I think I'm just gonna choose this one because it was the first one up there and it looks pretty simple to me. So we're gonna put 2023 now. Okay. All right, so I just downloaded a couple pictures of what I want, and then I'm just gonna replace these random ones for mine. So first, I'm gonna put this. Okay, hang up. Okay, so I put this because I really want to finish school, like actually finish, get my degree, and move on. But then I have like 2 more years for physical therapy school, but like I won't have to do that for a while. Like I'll probably take that year off and then go back to PT school, but overall I just want to be done with school for a little bit. So that's what that is for. And then for this one, I want at least 5,000 subscribers, which I know is doable if I'm consistent enough. I just have to get out of my head. Sometimes when I feel like I'm not in my best mood, I'll just be like, yeah, you know, I'm just not gonna record today. And then that goes to the next day and the next day, and then I'm just like, well, I might as well just not do anything then, which isn't a great mindset when you want things like this to happen. So I need to be more consistent with that and actually enjoy what I'm doing, which I do. Like I love making videos and I love recording and I love editing. It's so therapeutic. But sometimes I'll just be like, well, when I'm not doing anything, what do y'all want to see? There's nothing for you to see if I'm not doing anything. I think that's another resolution that I want for myself, is to get out more. It doesn't have to be like a party or anything. Just get out of the house, because most of the time I'm either at my job or at home in my bed, which isn't good for anybody. So I want to get out more. I don't know where. So if you have some ideas for me, go ahead and drop them in the comments, because I have no idea where I would go. But anyway, let's get back to this. So my next one would be this one. I really would like to move out this year, next year. I don't see that happening at the moment, but if I do the things that I'm planning on doing next year, I feel like I could. But that is a goal. All right, so the next thing, so I'm gonna add this here, and this one is basically me telling myself I want to be in a better mood. That's what it is. I used to just let anything and everything get to me for some reason. Like every small thing would irritate me. Everything would just bother me and get under my skin, and it would just ruin my entire day. So I just don't want that to happen next year. Most of the things don't even be that serious. Like, Janae, come on, it's not that serious. But I do let that get to me, and I just want to be more open and less antisocial. I think I was protecting my peace a little too much, to the point where nobody was able to get in. That's the best way I can explain it. Like, I just never let my guard down enough for somebody to actually like come in and, you know, be cool. So I have this but it's actually the same as the 5,000 subscribers, but I just want to be more like I said, consistent with YouTube and things like that. I want a new camera. That's what I want. But I mean, what's the point of buying a new camera when you're not even doing anything with the one that you have, you know? So there's no point right now. So, and right here, this was a display picture that was already on here, but I'm gonna keep it because I do want to start eating healthier. I really just want to put more protein and just healthier things in my diet, and just eating more in general, because usually I could last the entire day without eating really anything, and that's not good. That's not good at all. I just want to do better for my body, you know? You only get one body. What else? Oh, this plane was here already, but I'm gonna change it. I want to travel. I really want to travel. I've never been on a plane before. Like, I've never been on a plane. It doesn't have to be out of the country. I just want to go experience a different state. Like, of course, I've probably been to every state in the South. I'm pretty sure I've been to every state in the South. And I just want to explore more. Okay, so this is going to be a shocker for a lot of people. It's actually a shock for me too, but I'm gonna do it. I really want to get into acting, kinda. This is.
Have you ever had a dream that
This is the total opposite of my personality. I can't even explain how or why this is something that I really want to do, but it is, so I'm gonna put it on there. I don't know where it came from, but I'm very much into like movies. This year I have been like watching movies in a different way that I've usually watch movies. I was actually looking at the actors and how they act and the emotions, and looking at backstories and interviews and the creation of movies and stuff like that. I've been very interested in that, so I was like, I want to see if I can do it. And I'm sure it's not gonna come like, I'm not trying to be like Viola Davis next year. I'm not gonna do that, I already know. But I mean, I just want to like see what happens and try to get out of my comfort zone in a way that is like very different than what I'm used to. So that is something that I really want to try. So I want to do like some auditions, and you know, like, I don't even know how to get started, but I really want to see where it takes me, so I'm gonna try. And then this one, I want to start taking more pictures. My mom and my grandmother actually got me like a studio set with like the lights and the backdrops. I love taking pictures when I'm in the mood for it, so sometimes I'll just get out of bed and be like, let me get cute real quick and take a couple pics, you know? So yeah, I think I really want to do that. It's crazy, I'm looking at this and this is exactly what I want for myself. Like, I'm looking and this is everything that I want. So I'm gonna save it, honestly. I think I'm done. This is really it. That's crazy. I want to change this background though. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so this is my lock screen. I'm so happy about it. And every time I get on it, this is what I'm gonna see. So now I realized that for me, journaling was really helpful. And over the past year, I've been going through like 2 journals because I just couldn't decide which journal I wanted to write in. So that was a complete mess. So now I have a brand new journal. So cute. Yeah, I feel like journaling for me was so helpful because there was 1,000,001 things going around in my head that I just wanted to get out. So once I put it on paper, it actually relieved some of that. I am gonna try to journal every day because that's another thing that I kind of slacked on this year, was not writing every day. Even if it's like, you don't have to fill up a whole page. You can use half a page, not even half, like a quarter of the page, and just write what you're feeling that day, or you know, write what you want to accomplish that day, stuff like that. So I got a brand new journal and I cannot wait to use it. So these are the 2 journals that I've been using this year. I've been using the smaller one and then this one. It's so cute, so cute. to end these journals, I think I'm just gonna do like a reflection of this past year. And I think I'm gonna do it in this one, because this one is just obnoxious. No, I think I'm gonna use it in this one. See, this is why I don't understand why I have 2 journals. I just need one. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna reflect on this year. I might kill my ex, I still love him though. You crazy for this one, baby. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to. Okay, so I finished my prompt on reflecting this last year. I don't know if I'm going to keep these because this year's kind of been traumatic, so I don't think I want to relive whatever is in this journal. So I might throw it away, I might keep it. Happy New Year. Comment down below some of your New Year's resolutions, some things you want to keep in the past, some things you look forward to in 2023, and I will see you guys next year.